As a furniture company owner, you want to price your company's products, and visiting Amazon to research similar product prices is certainly a good choice. Let's explore how you can utilize Univer Clipsheet to assist you with this task. First, open Amazon and search for the furniture category you want to research. Then, activate Univer Clipsheet and click the Collect Current Page Data button. After a brief moment, you will be able to capture all the data on that page into a spreadsheet. After a brief moment, you will be able to capture all the data on that page into a spreadsheet. Next, you can carefully review the information contained in the spreadsheet, such as product names, prices, and ratings. This data will provide valuable reference points for your pricing decisions. With these detailed price insights, you can better analyze your competitors' pricing strategies and use that information to determine the most appropriate pricing for your own products. I'm confident that with the Univer tool suite, you'll be able to find the optimal pricing solution for your company's offerings.